Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Steam region. Start by opening the Steam client and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the Steam store and add an inexpensive game or item to your shopping cart. After that, open your cart. In the cart, look for the country drop-down menu, which is usually located above the product information. This menu shows your current Steam store country. Click on it to see the available options. Steam uses your internet connection and IP address to determine where you are located. If you have moved to another country, you should see that country listed in the drop-down menu. Select your new country and continue with the process if prompted. If your country is not listed, try selecting the most appropriate option and then contact Steam support for further assistance. They can help verify your location and provide additional guidance if needed. If you only want to change your download region, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Next, open the Downloads tab. Under Download Region, click the drop-down menu and choose your current location or the closest available server. Once you have selected the new download region, click OK to save your changes. Then restart the Steam client so the new download settings can take effect. Thanks for watching.